रिस्पॉन्स मिला है।
हर हर महादेव।
हर महादेव।
ट्रेलर देखा है आपने, कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा।
So a small disclaimer, my Hindi is broken. I have a lot of confusion between mera, meri and aapka, aapke. So it's not a disrespect, but it's out of confusion. So please don't judge me. And I would like to really thank media. आपके वजह से इतना ज़्यादा reach मिला है नागबंधम को. And this is a great opportunity for me to thank you all. With all your love and support, this has been possible. And first of all, talking about Nagabandham. Nagabandham is not just another film. It's a larger than life mythological universe specially crafted for the audience. And it's an attempt to preserve India's civilization legacy. ये हमारी तरफ से सनातन धर्म को एक समर्पण है।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
हमारे हिस्ट्री सबको पता है क्या हुआ है मुगल इन्वेजन के बाद। काफी कुछ लूज किया है हमने। देव लूटेड आवर ट्रेजर, देव लूटेड आवर टेम्पल्स, करोड़ों लोग मारे गए हैं। And Nagabandham is an attempt to show to the future generations our ancestors' sacrifice and resilience they have shown towards protecting our dharma. Yeah, that's it from my side.
आपने बोला हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, इतना अच्छा बोलोगे तो बाकी लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं। And it's not just me. किशोर सर वहाँ खड़े खड़े देख रहे हैं, मेरी अर्धांगिनी इतनी अच्छी हिंदी बोलती है, ये तो कमाल कर रही है। कमाल आप दोनों ने किया है। किशोर सर, talk to us about this.
One last thing I would like to say. This event gives me really a great vibe. Thank you so much, Sunny ji, Red Eye Studios. गणेश जी की मंत्रोच्चारण के साथ शुरू हुआ है ये इवेंट। सब आपके वजह से हुआ है। Thank you so much for enabling this. हाँ।
थैंक यू सनी जी, क्या बात है। वामसी शेखर साहब भी यहाँ पर हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर फॉर ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ कोर्स। सर थैंक यू सो मच। किशोर सर, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
Yeah, thank you everybody for being here. Thanks all the media people. Thank you Girish ji for being here. Thanks to all the artists and all the other guests. So I think you've seen the trailer. Okay, I'll speak in English because she has already spoken enough.
She's aced it.
So I'll speak in English. Yeah. So I think all of you have seen the trailer. How did you like? Love it. I actually. I mean, the reception that you guys have given, I actually loved your reception of the trailer. So I'm feeling very satisfied, very happy. You know, I sure think it will be a blockbuster. Going forward. So thank.
100 crore.
सर ट्रेलर में आपको अभिषेक नामा जी का विजन दिखा होगा। We really miss him not being here today.
Yeah, thank you.
That is next level to Bahubali. I think it is next level Bahubali.
Thank you. That's actually a fantastic comment. Thank you for that. Yeah, so I'd like to thank, like she said, Abhishek ji for mounting this magnum opus here and delivering to such scale and span. I'd like to thank the artists, Virat, Nabha, and our Alicia. Sorry, I am feeling a little bit nervous, but yeah. So Rishabh for actually being able to do this, positioning it at this scale and being able to give your best, on all the shooting days. Thanks to all the crew. Our Sundar sir is here. He has actually been able to bring this up. You've seen the visuals, so it's all because of him. I think I'd like to thank our production designer, Mr. Ashok. So he has been able to do.
जल्दी नॉर्थ में भी शुरू करेंगे। तो प्लीज वेट फॉर पद्मनाभ स्वामी टू कम हियर एंड ब्लेस यू ऑल।
Bless us all, of course. I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा। Antagonist टाइप कुछ दिख रहे हो, लेकिन फिर भी क्या माहौल था?
Bro, honestly, Abhishek sir is not here today, but it was entirely his vision. This character is very dark, and I'm doing a double role, and both my characters are dark. You can call it dark and darker. And Abhishek sir gave me the freedom to go to the darkest ends. he was so descriptive and vivid, and you know, he explained the character very well, and the way he designed the looks, the way he designed the shots and everything, it gave me a lot of freedom to play the character. It was not easy to play such a bad guy. And I really have to talk about two things, bro. Ashok sir, who's the art director of the film, he made such beautiful sets. I mean, there was a set where there were the 10 avatars of Vishnu ji, and every time we were shooting, the first thing I would do when I went to the set was go in the middle, stand there, pray for 2 minutes. That used to give me so much, you know, it used to make me feel so centered. That is one. And the other person I want to talk about is the editor of our film, Pranav. He has done a fantastic job with the edit, and Sondar sir, I mean, the way he was framing each and every shot, you just look into the camera and you could know that something crazy is gonna come out of it. Special mention for our producers, bro. The way they have supported the film, I mean, they used to be there on set for all the night shoots, for all the day shoots. Be it they are feeling unwell, they are feeling well, they were there. And even Ira is also there on set for a long time, bro. And overall, like I'm just thankful, I'm grateful for the opportunity, getting a Telugu debut with this film. I mean, I think God is really kind with me, because I got my debut with Fighter and then my Telugu debut with Nagabandham, and I'm just grateful. Thank you Vasu sir, thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thank you Sondar sir, and thank you Abhishek sir for the opportunity.
Thank you so much.
इतना सारा प्यार, thank you so much. I mean, the kind of energy you guys have given us for the trailer is amazing, and it's filled us with confidence. We were all sitting and the kind of, you know, hooting and whistles. Thank you so much. What do I say? What do you want me to say? This movie the journey has been beautiful. Nagabandham is not just any film. It's our Sanatana Dharma and historical events wrapped in like a beautiful drama and presented at a large scale visual spectacle. आपने trailer तो देखा होगा, but asli picture on July 3rd. Please do come to the theaters and give us the same energy. What more can I say? And I have thanked all of our team yesterday in very length, but I just really want to thank Soundar sir, Rishabh, our producers, our incredibly talented director, our hero Virat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Nishita and Kishore. I want to see the movie as much as the audience have been waiting, because you're all in for a surprise, including myself.
She said it. She said it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for.
Thank you so much. Hello Mumbai. मैं पहले बार इधर आ गया, एंड मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा इधर उधर होता है, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. Thank you. So I would like to thank my director Abhishek Nama for giving me this beautiful opportunity, क्योंकि second movie को इतना बड़ा movie आने के लिए it's not easy, and he had seen something in me, so I would like to thank him and my producers Nishita Garu and Kishore Garu for trusting me and giving me this huge project. And Nabha Natesh, thank you so much for supporting me, and she is very active in the shoot also. She used to give lot of energy. And Rishabh, thank you so much. And DOP sir, thank you so much sir. Your visuals are like crazy. And I would like to say only one thing about this movie. It's not a movie. I'm not inviting you to watch it just as a movie. I'm inviting you to experience the journey that celebrates our Indian culture and courage.
Wow.
क्योंकि हमारा मिट्टी का स्टोरी है ये, एंड वी डोंट नो आवर क्या बोलते हैं आवर नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस को, वी हैव टू शो आवर ट्रेडिशन एंड कल्चर. सो दिस मूवी इज गोना शो एवरीथिंग. हमारा इंडियन का पावर क्या है और हमारा सनातन धर्मम का क्या है, एंड एवरीथिंग इट विल शो. एंड द स्टोरी रन्स अबाउट विष्णु, शिवा एंड नागसाधु. सो यू लिंक इट इन द लिंक पूरा आपको मूवी देखने के बाद मिलता है. So thank you so much. And CEO Vasu garu, thank you so much, sir. And Ganesh Acharya Master, thank you, sir. Thank you so much for because for the second movie, I mean, इतना बड़ा choreographer से dance choreography करना, it's not easy, and I would like to thank Ganesh sir. And thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Oh.
And we started Ananta Padmanabha Swami Radha Yatra in AP and Telangana. वो उसको बहुत अच्छा response आ रहा है, and we'll start this in Mumbai and North India also. I think that North, South, East, West पूरा सब हमारा मिट्टी है, and उसमें हमारा mythology and हमारा story पूरा सबका एक ही रहता है. तो ये मूवी भी ऐसा है. सो सब लोग ये मूवी देख के जुलाई 3 ना एक सरप्राइज फील होता है, एंड दिस मूवी इज गोना सरप्राइज यू ऑल. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ क्या किया है कैरेक्टर ने, क्यों अलग है ये वो, ये नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. मुझे बताइए खुद को कितना चैलेंजिंग महसूस हुआ ये प्ले करते हुए, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट इजी.
Yeah, this is not easy because I mean, as a newcomer for me, playing this much variation from my first movie to second movie and playing Nagasadhu character, it's not easy, and I think that हमारा पूरा unit का पीछे ये power है, that power is supporting us. Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है. बाहुबली जो फिल्म है हमारी कहीं ना कहीं इंडियन सिनेमा की एक वन ऑफ द लैंडमार्क मूवी बन चुकी है. साउथ की जब भी फिल्में आती हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं बॉलीवुड वाले डर जा रहे हैं, ये कह सकता हूं मैं. ये जो आपकी फिल्म है, इसकी जो जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई किस तरह से हुई, क्या आपने पहले से ये तय करके रखा था कि बाहुबली से भी हमें बड़ी फिल्म बनानी है?
First of all, we are not from the film industry. This is our first film, Nick Studios का. पहले हम सॉफ्टवेयर बिजनेस कर रहे थे, उसके बाद बिजनेस डाइवर्सिफाई करना चाहते थे और ये फिल्म की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली हमको. एंड जब अभिषेक नामा सर से मिले थे, उनका प्री प्रोडक्शन वर्क इतना स्ट्रांग था, उनका विजन पूरा समझ में आ गया हमको. तो उसके हिसाब से हमको लगा ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ा हिट बन जाएगा. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिग डिवोटी ऑफ शिव जी, सो आई लाइक द सब्जेक्ट एंड वी वांटेड टू डू इट. More, Kishore, you want to expand more on this?
Yeah, so again I'll talk in English. Yeah, so when we started, I think the budget was not this high. I mean, so we started it, the output started coming well. We started seeing very good reception from the people who have seen the rush, people who have visited the sets. The artists were also doing very well. Everybody was giving in their day in day out only for the movie. So if you talk about Abhishek, Virat, so most of the, I mean, the good amount of team is also first timers, and they're giving their heart and soul for the project. So seeing that dedication, I think you get that kind of confidence that this project will be a huge success. So that is the gut feel that we have gotten when we started early. And as we started seeing the output, as we started getting more and more confidence, we started investing. And while we are doing that investment, we are also cognizant of what is the risk that we're taking, how to de-risk it, and will it be a profitable venture or not. So all these have been considered, and then only we have invested. So you can call it a calculated risk.
आपने कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क की बात की, इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की. अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ, क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है इस फिल्म को लेकर, और क्या प्लानिंग है रिटर्न्स को लेकर? कहाँ वर्ल्ड वाइड किस तरह से प्लानिंग है, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? आपको लगता है कि ये फिल्म बाहुबली के रिकॉर्ड सारे तोड़ पाएगी? क्योंकि विजुअली तो बहुत इफेक्टिव लग रही है फिल्म.
So the investment is at around 110 crores plus has been the investment. As far as will it cross Bahubali or not, I think you guys, your response has actually been the proof of whether it will cross Bahubali or not. So I'll leave it at that. So let's wait for July 3rd and then see how it goes.
My friends keep telling me, पूरा Instagram पूरा नागाबंधम ही चल रहा है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that itself is that shows the movie is going to be a big blockbuster.
I think we've somewhere created that interest in the audience, that this is a film to look out for. The film has stands out, and then there is great content that that will surprise you. So I think those three things are actually enough to pull the audience into the theaters. And then let's see how it goes.
And talking about the business, we've partnered with some of the greatest like we have Z Studios on board for distributing in North and overseas. I think that gives us a strong strength.
I think we have closed 80% of the business, so I think we're out of risk in that sense.
Sir, my question is to Virat sir. Yeah.
Hi sir.
First of all, congratulations to you. All the best for this film.
Thank you so much sir.
You got a very good opportunity to act in this big film. It will be a pan-India film. So what is your feeling with this particular? You joined with this film. Actually, you can say it's a debut to this thing. So what is your feelings? Just express your feelings.
मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, दिस इज़ द लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. सो ये मूवी के लिए पूरा मैं मेरा जान लगा के काम किया, क्योंकि आपका दिल में छोटी से जगह चाहिए. सो या एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट. सर आपने नहीं सुन रहे तो सॉरी.
From Nabha, Rishabh, my goodness, you are looking mind-blowing, absolutely, I think. And two avatars you are doing, two double role. That also you are looking different and at the same time menacing, so dangerously menacing. And Virat, my goodness, the character you have portrayed here, it's out of the box as such. I just want to ask one thing, Rishabh especially. This film is getting released in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi. And have you done dubbing for Telugu also, if I'm not mistaken?
Yes, sir. Telugu and Hindi.
And how did you find the experience working with these people from the south as such?
Sir, honestly, I think I've been blessed. My first film, I had a great experience with the production team. This, during Nagabandham, I have nothing to complain about. Like I said before as well, the producers backed everyone through and through. They were there to take care of everyone. They were there to look out for everyone. And there was not much of a difference in the working styles also, because at the end of the day, both were like big commercial films, and both of them were dealt with the utmost professionalism and grace, I would say.
Kishore, one thing I want to ask you, this is your first film, such major. Are you planning for other productions also, or after seeing the response to this film, you'll start planning? How was the experience of yours working with these people as such?
I think this is my first time. I mean, obviously all of you know. So I think one of the mentions I want to do is of Vasigaru. He has been the pillar of support for us. I mean, we don't know anything in production in that sense. So he has guided, helped, told us how things work, how things do not work, where to be careful, where not to be, I think. And he has been with Abhishek for long, and they have done enough number of productions to be able to know what is right, what is wrong. So I think in that way we've been, the experience has been good. There was too much to learn in too short a time, and we have spent also too much in too short a time. So both ways. So, but I think it's a good investment. I think you have gotten the right kind of output. Yeah. So.
And Abhishek is not there. You are missing him as such.
Yeah.
And he has done a wonderful job. Everything is the story, screenplay, direction, everything. Wonderful. Beautifully executed. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
All the best.
My question. Anything like in Telugu, mother tongue.
So this was one of the dialogues from the film. It's one of my favorite scenes from the film. It goes like, మీ డాడీ నేను కలిసి గేమ్ ఆడితాం, నేను గెలిచే వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వలికడా.
Sir, meaning, sir.
Me and your dad are playing a game and I'm winning. Now whoever's the winner, he needs to get the prize, right? But your dad's not giving me the prize. That was the meaning of the dialogue.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hi, Angelika here from the Trending Time.
Yes, sir.
Her character is a surprise in the film. There's a surprise in the film, so we've hid it from the trailer.
Okay.
Heroine is more than just a
Be surprised in the theatre. Yes.
heroine is more than just a glamour in this film. She has a lot to deliver, which you will be seeing on the big screens on July 3rd.
And also, Virat, it's a fresh start. Tell me something, how difficult mycology is for you. What was your research when you got this character?
So पहले मेरे को भगवान का I used to pray God, but इतना ज़्यादा not so much close to the God. So जब ये स्टोरी सुना था तो I started surveying about the character and the Naga sadhus and all. So like that I became very close to Lord Shiva, and I used to go to temples and all. While playing the character also, I went to the temple daily, and I used to do Abhishekam for Lord Shiva. So like that I got lot of emotionally connected to Lord Shiva. And I feel like while playing the character, some energy is behind me, so that in the tough situations also I played this with lot of encouragement and courage. Yeah.
To add to what Virat said, he has a great body in the trailer, as you can see. But of late, he's been going to a lot of temples. He's become a big devotee of Lord Shiva, 41 days vrat and all that. He's not been eating well, I think, which made him lose lot of weight.
एंड ऑल्सो ऋषभ, आपसे मेरा सवाल है, ये आपकी दूसरी फिल्म है, पहली फिल्म को काफ़ी प्यार मिला है, लोगों ने काफ़ी सराहा है उस कैरेक्टर को, एंड सेकेंड फिल्म की अगर आप बात करें, डबल रोल है आपका, किस तरह से आप देखते हो? क्योंकि अक्सर लोग हीरो के किरदार को काफ़ी प्यार देते हैं, विलन के किरदार को प्यार देते हैं, तो कहते हैं कि ये बड़ी फिल्म है क्योंकि विलन के किरदार को प्यार मिला है। आपकी पहली फिल्म में भी आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है, ट्रेलर काफ़ी अमेजिंग है, आप अपने किरदार के बारे में बताइए थोड़ा सा, एंड कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है डबल किरदार फॉलो करना?
या मेरे लिए कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग। डिफिकल्ट से ज़्यादा मैं बोलूँगा इट वाज मोर ऑफ एन एडवेंचर फॉर मी, बिकॉज मैं बहुत खुश था जब ये कैरेक्टर, मेरे को 2 कैरेक्टर मिले इस फिल्म में करने के लिए, क्योंकि 2 अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स हैं। टॉकिंग अबाउट जो लव, जो प्यार मुझे मिलेगा, फाइटर के बाद भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कहा था कि भाई वी हेटेड यू ऑन स्क्रीन, मन कर रहा था आके देखो मार दें, मन कर रहा था कि ये मर क्यों नहीं रहा है कैरेक्टर, ये बंदा बार बार जिंदा हो जा रहा है। अगर आप लोगों को फाइटर देख के मेरे से नफरत हुई थी, मेरे कैरेक्टर से आप लोगों को डर लगा था, तो मैं आपको गारंटी से बोल रहा हूँ इस फिल्म में इट विल बी हायर। इस फिल्म में आई होप ऐसा ना हो बट इस फिल्म में बहुत ग्रूसम कैरेक्टर्स हैं मेरे दोनों। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक कैरेक्टर थोड़ा चिल है, दूसरा कैरेक्टर थोड़ा ज्यादा ही हैवानियत वाला है, दोनों ही हैवान है, एंड एक से बढ़कर एक। तो 3 जुलाई को आपको पता लगेगा, एंड आई होप यू गाइज हेट माई कैरेक्टर अगेन।